Hello students. This is the first chapter of your geography of NCERT textbook, that is India and the Contemporary World. The first chapter of your history is the French Revolution. In this chapter basically what you will study. In this chapter basically you will get to know about what is a revolution, especially how is it different from a war. Then you'll gradually move to the French society during the late 18th century. Then you will get to know how the middle class wanted to end the privileges and how gradually it all led to the outbreak of revolution and how France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Here you will also get to know about what is known as the Reign of Terror and during whose reign it was so much terrorized, and how does a directory rules France after this. You will also get to know about how women also took participation in this revolution and demanded equal rights for themselves. You will also get to know how slavery was abolished. You have read about it in the previous classes that slavery was practiced in the ancient times. But how was it abolished in France? That you will get to know in this chapter. You will also get to know about the legacy of the revolution, which means that what did this revolution give to the world? What is its legacy? Apart from this, you will also get to know about many other things related to history. Like for example, you will get to know how to use different symbols to interpret history. Apart from this, you will understand the ideals of the French Revolution. You will understand the situation which gave rise to the French Revolution. So, in this chapter, you will gradually come to know that apart from India also there are many other countries also which struggled a lot for independence and to get equal rights and equal status as others. So this chapter goes through a story of France, that how France went from a monarchy to a democracy. So you'll get to know about all these topics in further details in the videos provided.